How power nap affects your body and the scientific power of naps. There are a number of health benefits for taking sleep naps, such as it improves your mood, you feel relaxed, and also removes fatigue. Also, the power nap restores your energy, which helps you to work actively. The power naps should be taken for at least 20 minutes, but if you take a power nap for more time, then it is not good. Some of the benefits of power nap are: 1. Increases productivity. Power nap completes your sleep and you feel refreshed. You can focus on your work if you get adequate sleep, and also increases the productivity. 2. Strengthens immune system. Due to lack of sleep, your immune system becomes weak. Power nap helps you to complete your sleep and relax your brain. Power nap protects your body's cells from being damaged and also strengthens your immune system. 3. Keeps your stomach full. When you sleep less, then your body starts activating ghrelin hormone. But if you take a nap, this hormone is controlled, due to which you do not have the cravings for food. Moreover, it also keeps you full for longer times. 4. Relieves stress. The power nap is a better choice for your mental and physical health. Taking a nap relieves your stress because it helps in calming your mind. 5. Boost the memory. Due to less sleep, your memory becomes weak and you are not able to think properly. But if you take a few minutes of power nap during the day, then it boosts your memory and your learning ability. So this is how power nap affects your body and the health benefits of power naps. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. In this channel you will get information about various health related topics. Wishing you good health in your life. Bye.